welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It's actually New Year's Eve when I'm filming this, but I'm not gonna post it today. So you are watching this in 2024. Okay, so we are doing an unboxing today. I've actually had this for a while and I just never unboxed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I'm trying to decide, should I unbox it first and then, yeah, I'm gonna do the unboxing, and then I wrote down just a couple of really quick facts about the company, which I think a lot of people would care about. So I'll share those, but just in case you don't care about that, let's do the unboxing. So I already technically opened this, but this is the first time I have ordered from this company. So this is how it comes. And the name of the company, I will tell you, it's Freja, I believe. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to pull the bag out. Wait, what was that? Oh, I think that was just my receipt. We'll just kick that up there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just have some tissue paper. Actually, let's open it this way. So you pull the tissue paper off, and then you see the company name. So it says Freja, New York. And then I am going to I'm just gonna rip it. Oh, there's more tape. It is nice and secure, so that's good. I'm so excited I can finally use this bag now. Okay, so this is the dust bag. And then it has like this cardboard right here, so you can see it kind of keeps the shape of the bag, so that's nice. I'm gonna have to clean up all that later. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out of the dust bag. This is actually like a really nice dust bag. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I mean, I always keep my dust bags. Okay, and then let's just rip into this. Oh, I'm so excited, yay! Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the bag. Let me scoot out a little bit. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know how to show you guys to scale. It actually is a little bit smaller than I thought, but I mean, I love that. It's so chic. Okay, so right away, I see this little, let's scoot back in. It looks like it has this little like clasp here. So if you want to keep the straps together, you just put this on there. Oh, I love that. And then it kind of gives it a little bit more structure. And then I'm gonna take this off though, just for a sec. Does this come all the way off? Oh, it doesn't. Okay, that's interesting. Does it not come off? Oh, maybe you can just slide it down. Okay, so if you don't want this guy at the top, you can just slide it down and put it right there. And then your straps, the straps kind of stay, they're pretty sturdy. Okay, inside, it looks like it's stuffed. I don't think there's anything. I think this is just stuffing. So take that out. And then we have, it's just the tag here. And this is what it looks like inside the bag. So it's kind of this like really pretty, like purple maroon color. And then this is cool. Okay, so you can, I believe this comes out. It's like a little flap. There you go. Okay, so this little flap can either go inside or you can pull it on top, I believe, if you want a little bit more privacy. I feel like that's how I saw it in the, or on the website. It was like, oh yeah, okay, like this. Okay, so it definitely gives it more of a, I don't know, not as casual. It's more like if you like it like this, it's more, I don't know, just business, like 9 to 5 professional, I feel like. or even like going out. It just looks so much more, I can't think of the word, just like fancy, a little bit more fancy structured, I think. And then if you don't want that, if you do want a little bit more casual of a look, you just leave it open. It kind of reminds me of like the Hermes, the Birkin, how it does that. You can kind of leave the flap on the inside, and then this definitely gives it a more casual look. Just throw that tag in there. And this is what, there we go. So it just says Freja, New York. This is what it looks like. Just kind of do a 360 here. Very, very pretty, very classy. I love this so much. When I was purchasing it, I was kind of reading through the website about the company, and I found out a lot of really cool stuff. So, okay, so again, the name is Freja. I'm pretty sure that's how you, that's the pronunciation. And it's Scandinavian for love. So love that, no pun intended. But the idea for this company was actually born in 2019. And this is a really cool story. So the founder, Jenny, she was actually getting ready for an interview. So the night before her interview, I think she said it was like 1 a.m. and she was searching for the perfect tote bag. Again, something sophisticated, understated, but something very professional that she could wear to her interview. But she had an event the next day afterwards, so she also needed to pack a change of clothing. And she's just like, I need this, like she had this specific mind of this tote that she needed, but she didn't have in her collection. And so that's how the idea started. So that was 2019. In 2020, they officially launched. So definitely a newer brand. And then just some things that I was like, oh, that's cool. So obviously it is woman owned for people who care about that, which, you know, definitely love to support that. Each bag is handmade in a small family owned factory. On the website, for every bag, I believe they have full price transparency. So they break down the cost of the material, the labor, basically every penny, including the markup and the percentage of the markup that they have. They have it broken down so you know exactly why the bag is, that specific bag is priced the way it is. So I love that. And then their materials. So they use ultra fiber and ultra suede. So that's what, I think this is the ultra fiber, and it is vegan, non-toxic, waterproof, air permeable, and very durable. So they definitely go into a lot more detail. I didn't want to like, you know, read you the whole website. If you're interested, I definitely recommend doing a little browse on the website and, you know, just reading about the company because it's super interesting. And I was like clicking and reading and clicking. It's definitely interesting. But though, yeah, those are just the main facts. I was just like, wow, that's super cool. So I will link this bag below. I feel like if you were in the market for that perfect little black bag, I mean, it's not super little. It's not like tiny, tiny, but it is pretty small. I mean, it's definitely smaller than what I thought, but I love it. I feel like this is definitely still going to hold a lot of things. Actually, I should show you guys. Okay, let me go grab a couple of things from my purse and then we can kind of like play around and I can show you. One sec. Okay, I'm back, and I also just noticed really fast, I want to show you guys. If you can see this right here, this is actually a little like button closure. I think that's for like your keys, I want to say, or anything that you want to, I don't know, just have quick access to. Oops, there you go. You can kind of put that on there and then button it up. Also, I did not notice, and I'm hoping I can show you guys, there is a little pocket back here. You can see that too. So a little bit of organization, not like a ton. It is just one main, you know, area, but that's fine. I'm not gonna worry about putting anything in that pocket just because I don't, you know, care. Okay, let's see really fast. My phone is so dirty. We'll put the phone in last, actually. Okay, I have my wallet. This is my everyday wallet, and it is big. Like, you guys can see, this is basically the size of the whole bag. But the reason why I do have smaller like wallets that I carry if I switch bags. So realistically, if I am carrying this bag, like let's say I'm going out, I'm probably gonna switch my wallet. I'm not gonna use this, but just for the purpose of this demo, if you have a wallet that's smaller than this, obviously you know yours will fit. Okay, so that does take up a good amount of room in there. Let me just stuff some stuff in there and then I'll show you. but it does fit. So it's good, you know, scale to size. Here's my phone, and I have the, oh gosh, the 14 something max, or I don't know. It's one of the larger ones. Okay, I always carry wet ones. This is a little compact mirror. I have a lip gloss, some gum. This is like a pretty big, like little gum thing too. And then we have like a hair tie. All of that fits. And again, you probably don't need all of this stuff, but it fits quite nice. Let's see if it can close though, using that flap. I feel like it might not be able to. Just because honestly, I think the wallet's too big. Okay, so the flap can kind of go over it, but it's, yeah, it's not gonna really close with this much stuff. So I took out my wallet. I'm gonna throw in a little hand cream. And then I even grabbed these. These are, side note, love these. I'm trying these Groons. I don't know if I'm saying that right. These are like green gummies, but they're vitamins. Anyways, they just taste like gummy bears. Yes, okay. So it basically shuts. So yeah, it fits quite nicely. I will link this bag below. Again, highly recommend you taking a look at the website because it's really nice. The website is really nicely done, and all of her bags look so pretty. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.